Guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you if you're having a problem on Xbox Game Power, how to fix. So you can simply open using a command on your keyboard, Windows plus G. So guys, as you can see over here, you can't find the option right over here. This two option is not visible to record. Everything is on over here, audio as well, you can hear that. So guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this if you are having the same problem. First thing is, you can simply go to your Windows over here, head over here to settings. On settings, you can click over here to games and make sure this option is turned on, and you can again go to your settings option and you can hit over here to apps. In apps, look for that gaming power. Over here, Xbox Game Power, click on that, click options right over here, and make sure you restart for once. It will take little time, so we will get this page, but you have to restart. And after that, if your problem is not still fixed yet, you can go to services, scroll down to the bottom, and you can find the Xbox option right over here. You can simply stop for a while and start running once again. Click OK, and you can check if it is working or not. So guys, that's what I want to show you in this video. If you found this video helpful, so leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.